Hello everyone. Want to connect with your clients in a fun and effective way? Today we're going to talk about webinars, an incredible tool for interacting with your audience online. A webinar is an event conducted entirely online, where one or more experts talk about a specific topic for a virtual audience. It's like a seminar, but without leaving your home. Unlike a webcast, which can have a physical audience, the webinar is 100% online. There are many types of webinars. The Flow portal lists 11 types, each with a different purpose. Here are some examples. E-learning webinars, employee training, thought leadership, product demo webinars, lead generation, customer onboarding, new features webinars, corporate communication, on-demand, panel discussion, branding webinars. Each of these types of webinars has its own magic and can help you achieve different goals. One of the greatest benefits of webinars is the interaction with your clients and users. Interaction is key. You can learn about your clients' concerns not only on the specific topic of the seminar but also in a more general sense. Interaction opportunities include asking a question, chat, surveys, quizzes, call to action, Twitter. These tools allow you to keep your audience engaged and gain valuable feedback. At Rootstack, we've had many successful experiences with webinars. They have allowed us to get closer to our clients and become a reference in technology. Here are some examples of the webinars we've offered and how they have helped us connect with our audience. And that's all about webinars. They are a powerful tool to connect with your audience in a fun and effective way. Are you ready to organize your own webinar? We would love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video. See you next time.